Hello friends, this video on 3-dimensional geometry part 17 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 17. Let's take one example where to find the coordinates or the foot of perpendicular drawn from origin to this particular plane. In this case, you have to think a little bit. If I have my origin here and I have some plane here, let's say, right? This is perpendicular to this plane, and d is the distance. I have to find the coordinates of this point. So if you see, if this direction is n cap, right, n cap direction, and this n cap is the direction, and my direction cosines are for this is L, M and N for this n cap. This point will be what? This point will be LD, MD and ND. Oh, because D into n cap will be this line vector, right? And if this is origin, this point will be LD, MD, ND. Correct? I hope you got it. Because d into n vector and see, this is p and this is 0. OP vector is nothing but d into n vector. Correct? And n vector is nothing but Li, Mj, Nk, where L square plus n square plus m square is equal to 1. It's a unit vector. So this is nothing but dli plus dmj plus dnk. So this point is dl, dm and dn. So in this case, if I know d, I know l, m and n, I can find the point. So this equation is 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 12. So if you see, this point is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square is what? Root of 29. So I'll divide everything by root 29. So with that, what will happen is, I'll show you. So with that, what will happen is, we have this equation in this form, r dot 2 by root 29i plus 3 by root 29j plus 4 by root 29k is equal to 12 by root 29. Correct? And this is similar to r dot n cap is equal to d. This is a unit vector. Why? Because you find the magnitude of this will become 1. See, the magnitude of this will be 1. You can show this. 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square is 29 by 29. That is 1. So I have got D. So I have got L, I have got M, I have got N. This guy is L. So I got L as 2 by root 29. I got M, this guy is M. M is 3 by root 29. I got N, this guy is N. This is 4 by root 29. I got D, that is this guy is 12 by root 29. Please note, it is always R dot N cap is equal to D, right? So we've converted this into n cap first. This was an n vector actually, so I divided this by magnitude of this, becomes n cap. I have every point. So the first point was LD. So LD is what? 2 root 29 into 12 by root 29. That is 24 by 29. Similarly, second point is MD. MD is 3 by root 29. And D is 12 by root 29. That is 36 by root 29. ND. ND is N is 4. 4 by root 29. And D is 12 by root 29. So it is 48 by 29. This is by 29, it's not root. So these are my points. 24 by 29, 36 by 29 and 48 by 29. Correct. The new concept that we learn from here is, if my distance is d, this is n vector, so these points will be LD, MD and ND. And finding other things were pretty easy, just calculation stuff. We have to find the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular drawn from the origin for this. Almost similar to the last question. So just to make your concept clear, we'll take one more question of this pattern. So this is nothing but 0x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 6. I'll divide this by 3 square plus 4 square root, that is root of 3 square plus 4 square is root of 9 plus 16, that is root 25, that is 5. I'll divide the whole thing by 5. So with this I get r dot 0I plus 3 by 5y cap plus 4 by 5 jk cap I cap j cap is equal to 6 by 5. This is similar to r dot n cap is equal to d, right? With this I got d as 6 by 5 and l as 0, m as 3 by 5, right? L is 0, m is 3 by 5, n is 4 by 5. Right? You see m square plus n square plus n square is always 1 here. So this is what we get. I have to find the coordinates. So coordinates are my LD, MD and ND. So what is LD? 0 into D, 0. What is MD? 3 by 5 into 4 by 5. And what is ND? 4 by 5 into 6 by 5. Sorry, this is a D is 6 by 5. So with this you get points as 0, 18 by 25 and 24 by 25. So these are the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. Very similar to the last question where we have this point as 0, 0, 0. This is D, this is n unit, right? So this point, this whole vector is D n vector. So this point will be LD, MD and ND. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.